If you are looking for free AutoCAD blocks, then you may be interested in this website. Here we have easily downloadable blocks. You don't need to sign up for anything or click through a whole bunch of links. What you see is what you get. These files are clean, small, and properly labeled. Here is the home page where you see large previews of the file to be downloaded. If interested in a drawing, simply click the download button. It's just one click. So this is just the home page, an introduction to the many blocks on this website. To see a list of other blocks, simply click the link over here, or you can go to this pull down menu here, blocks, AutoCAD. Here we have PE seals, civil, electrical, mechanical, and fire alarm. Let's check out the civil. Here we have a list of civil blocks, pipe bollard. Okay, let's take a look at the preview to see what that looks like. Okay, if this is something you may be interested in, then you would simply go back. Oops. Let's see. Let's go back to the civil. Okay, here's the preview. You just click the download button here and you will be able to download this file.